fresh from Indiana, 2025 Keystone Cougar 360 MBI. This is a mid-bunk, and it's a brand new model. Check out this new floor plan. Love it. All right. That Ottoman is movable. You can move it next to the sofa. Of course, there is storage within these chairs. We got theater seats directly across from the TV, fireplace. This sofa out back does convert into a bed. Storage all over. Oh, check this out. Behind this door. Ta-da! Storage galore. Love it. Beautiful countertops. 3-burner stove. Furrion microwave. Take a look at this fridge, folks. That is a 16 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge. Mid bunk. I love this new design. So this sofa does convert into a bed, and directly across, you got yourself a little computer desk, or put a TV. Look at the storage all over. Love it. Let's keep going. Here's a look at the loft, kiddies. Porcelain toilet. Nice corner seat. Skylight. Medicine cabinet. Beautiful fit and finish. King size bed here, folks. Out front, behind the fiberglass cap. Great spot there for a CPAP machine. Love that lighting. Ah, you know what that means. We can live in this thing. Okay, folks, nice and quick. If you like what you're seeing, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment. We will get this opened up for you. We'll get it plugged in and lit up and ready for show. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick. See you soon.